Let's check out some amazing animals in this video. I wonder what it's gonna be. Look at the concentration on that face. A little line here. A little line there. Some more lines on this side. Ah, a self-portrait. Better than I can do. Why doesn't this Ewok have clothes? These are the floppiest ears I've ever seen. Nice. Here's a group of mesmerizing birds. Like black water in the sky. Like and subscribe for more cool things in nature. Here's some animals with amazing colors. Is this color shifting or color changing? This guy's camo game is on another level. Is this a game or real life? Where'd it go? Is transparency more effective than camouflage? It's so shiny. Here's some cool reptiles. This iridescent snake is gorgeous. A blue viper? Really? This is a thing? What's this? Seriously, nature is amazing. This lizard has some snazzy skin. These are too cute. Hold this guy up to the sky and you won't know he's there. Yup, blue frogs exist. And leaf frogs too, I guess. I wonder how many times people step on these without even knowing. Let's go back into the water now. Look how fast it goes. Is it me, or does this crab look all crabby? Ready, okay, go team go. You're being too slow. I didn't know feathers could swim. Let's finish off by watching a starfish walk. Of course, it's much slower than this. That's it for now. Stay random and see you in the next one.